and based on the Boeing 707 platform. Today, flying in from your left-hand side, we will see the NATO variant of this flying radar station, which also performs many other combat support functions, such as airborne surveillance, command control, and communications. They carry a 16-person crew. It is worth noting that 3 of these aircraft in overlapping orbits can provide